Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. So in this video I'm going to use two types of brushes, but if you haven't cleaned tool you can use a toothbrush or ear sticks. And also I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. It doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. Now let's apply it to the charging contacts, and at the bottom we have one charging contact, second one near to the ear tip. Here we go. Now let's clean charging contacts with a brush. And the second one. Let's move to the right one. I need to also apply isopropyl alcohol here and clean it. Also the second one. Here we go. Now let's apply it to the charging case. So right here we have first charging contact and the second one inside. So let's clean it also, the first one, with this brush. And the right one. And now inside of it, and that's why we need ear sticks. Now let's clean the grill, so we need to remove ear tips and slightly clean it. Here we go. Then we need to attach ear tip back and move to the right one. And that's it. Now we can put it to the charging case. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.